Back in the bad old days, disaster recovery was disaster recovery, and backup was backup. Separate solutions performing separately. Then, everything changed, and the world became always on, and enterprises needed a better way. Enter Zerto 7, the only platform to converge disaster recovery and backup. Now, you can finally replace legacy backup with simplicity, speed, and continuous data protection. You'll experience an always-on world with recovery times from 7 seconds to 7 years or more. And no data loss, no snapshots, no backup windows, no impact to production. Zerto 7 with converged disaster recovery and backup. Because some things are just better together.